Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Citra Savitri. I'm a student of Doctoral Management Program on Postgraduate of Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. I would like to tell you my oral presentation in the 6th Global Conference of Business Management and Entrepreneurship on my paper entitled The Effect of Electronic Word of Mouth on a Purchase Decision at Marketplace. The increasing development of the internet provides chance for consumers to seek information, behave, interact, and how to choose the product to be used. Consumers not only need information related to inquire to the required product, but also information from the source who have previously used the product or purchased the product through computer media. The information referred is often referred to as a e-worm, and the e-worm is considered an effective promotional model in marketing. On the one hand, the amount of information obtained by consumer will be taken into consideration to get the best product, and the company will continue to strive to improve the quality of the product. But on the other hand, the large amount of information obtained will make it difficult for consumers to make choice in making decision. Indonesia is one of country has a significant marketplace development and is predicted to continue to increase until 2023. However, data from digital reports state that although purchases have increased, Indonesia is only able to produce 23% and including country with a long digital growth, which means that there are problems to be solved. The COVID-19 pandemic provides opportunity for the digital company to continue to increase their promotion in the province where the e-commerce growth continue to increase. The value of e-commerce transaction has been continued to increase since 270 until 220, which means that it only also increased digital transaction rapidly. The fashion and beauty has been a first grade and the health category are still best-selling consumer product choice in the marketplace during the COVID-19 pandemic. The data taken from a survey of 3,500 online consumers spread across Southeast Asia. The problem is e-worm information quality refer to persuasive promise message. Number two, e-worm information credibility has been useful to contribute the review to the future consumer. And number three, the reduced anonymity has the potential to make e-worm information more trustworthy and reliable. The literature of review of this paper, number one is e-worm information quality. The quality of the review and the relevance of the information obtained will provide a positive experience of consumer and provide benefit in making decision. Credibility, the role of credibility of the information source will result in the perception of the receipt of the message and be the beginning of the persuasive process of individuals to adopt the information obtained. The e-worm information usefulness, consumer will consider review important when they decided to buy a product based on the result of the information obtained, because the usefulness of information is considered to predictor for consumer to adopt information. And the last, the purchase decision. Online purchase decision are a process of making a choice of a product which consists an ordering system that is on a company web. This research method is a quantitative descriptive study involving 300 90 who purchase fashion product in a marketplace, and all the sample taken by probability sampling, which is sampling technique provide equal opportunities to each number of the population to be selected as a member of the sample by simple pervasive sampling. The data analysis technique use same amos to test the hypothesis. The result in this model, measurements were made using the fit measurement method to measure validity and reliability through confirmatory factor analysis, and all the variables have a good construct reliability. The result of the data indicate that the CR has met the criteria. There are 3 out of 6 values are concluded in the good criteria, so that is model feasible to research. The result number 1, IWOM information quality toward to IWOM information usefulness is significant, and the result support the research conduct by ERCAN 216, ERCAN NF1 216, and SEN 215. IWOM information credibility toward to IWOM information usefulness is significant and support the research result ERCAN and SEN. And the last, IWOM information usefulness toward to process decision is significant and support the result of the study Watsuman, Schneider, Siegel, and SEN 215. The recommendation of this study focus on the marketplace in Indonesia that examine consumer behavior, indicating to make purchase online based on a resource of information obtained for the various consumer. As the consider the good quality information through clarity of information, easy to understanding of information, style of information, and detail related to product are a part of a good level of quality in product. Meanwhile, a credible of information for the review relate to the brand, reputation, accuracy, and the credibility level will also be taken into consideration in the message conveyed to consumer. The result of quality and credible information become used to consumer to adopt it and bring an action in purchase decision. The result is the study contribute to promotion strategic through IWOM in the form of information that comes from consumer who have purchased the product and will have an influence on the other potential consumer based on the information they receive. It's the last of my paper. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.